Hi guys, we're making tea. I have this massive bowl because we don't actually have any bowls bigger than like a little cereal bowl. So I have this massive thing, which is great. We're having what I call a halloumi rice bowl, salad bowl thing. I like it because I feel like it's healthy, but it tastes good. I mean, the calories probably aren't too great because halloumi is not too great, but I don't care. It feels nourishing, and that's all I want. Some lettuce, cucumber. I always fill my bowl up really big and then eat it over the course of like 2 days. Vlog. Snip my halloumi up because that's what great people do. My nan always cuts through the scissors. Like, she doesn't cut a pizza with a pizza roller, she uses scissors. And at first I took the mick out of her, and then I realised how genius she was. Silly silly. And then I'm gonna put hummus in and I mix it around and use that as like a sauce. If you try it, you're gonna love it. So, here's my big bowl that I'm not gonna eat. Hi angels, it's really early, it's like 7 o'clock in the morning. I was up all night in pain. Oh, I've got my camera here, it's usually like there. Rude, no worries. I just wanna look like I'm actually looking at you. Yeah, so I had like no sleep. I've had like 3 hours at most. I was up all night in pain. That's just how the cookie crumbles sometimes. So I'm up early packaging orders before work because I want to get them sent out before the postman comes today. I got a full day of teaching today. I got a full day lesson, which is so exciting. I can't wait to be back teaching. I'm now just taping them. I'm worried I'm late because I feel like I'm always on the verge of being late. Yeah, I just gotta get the tape wet first. I want it to remain within my values and I care for the planet. Sometimes. No, I do. I care for the planet, so I wanted to make sure that my packaging was as ethical as possible. But yeah, I wanted to make sure that I remained to my ethics as much as possible, and I wanted to be as ethical as possible. So I decided to get branded recyclable tape so that the tape can be thrown in the recycling with the box, just like everything else, and that it would be absolutely fine and dandy. They're really cute. Packaging tape. Right, I gotta go post those, set up the studio. I'll try and insert some clips from the one-to-one lesson today. They'll probably be like vertical. I know that'd be annoying for YouTube, but obviously when I'm teaching I'm focused on teaching.